Hey there, drone enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's been buzzing in the world of aerial photography videography DJI drones. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the fascinating world of DJI, exploring their popular drone models, their features, and why they have become the go-to choice for both professionals and hobbyists alike. So, without further ado, let's get started. Before we delve into the different drone models, let's talk a bit about DJI. DJI founded in 2006. DJI has revolutionized the drone industry with its cutting-edge technology and innovative features. They have become synonymous with high-quality aerial imaging and have won numerous awards for their products. DJI offers a wide range of drone models tailored to various needs and skill levels. Let's take a look at some of their most popular ones. DJI Mavic Air 2. This compact and portable drone packs a punch. With its 4.8MP camera, 4K video capabilities, and a maximum flight time of up to 34 minutes. It also comes equipped with intelligent tracking modes, obstacle avoidance, and a range of shooting modes. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2 aimed at professionals. This powerful quadcopter boasts a 20MP camera with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, allowing for exceptional image quality. It offers advanced flight modes, a maximum flight time of up to 30 minutes, and an impressive range of up to 7 kilometers. DJI Mini 2, perfect for beginners and hobbyists. The Mini 2 is incredibly lightweight and easy to fly. It features a 12MP camera, 4K video recording, and a range of intelligent flight modes. Despite its small size, it can withstand winds up to 29 to 38 kilometers per hour, making it a reliable choice for outdoor adventures. Now that we've covered some of the popular models, let's discuss the key features that set DJI drones apart. Intelligent flight modes. DJI drones come with a variety of flight modes, such as active track, which allows the drone to autonomously track and follow a subject. There's also point of interest, which lets you circle around a specific object or location, and waypoints, where you can pre-plan the drone's flight path. Camera quality. DJI's drones are known for their exceptional camera capabilities. They offer high-resolution photo and video recording, stabilized footage, and in some models, even the ability to shoot in RAW format, providing professionals with ample flexibility in post-production. Obstacle avoidance. Safety is a top priority for DJI, and their drones often feature obstacle avoidance systems. These sensors help prevent collisions with objects during flight, ensuring a smooth and accident-free experience. DJI has truly transformed the drone industry with its range of high-quality, feature-rich drones. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, a photography enthusiast, or simply someone looking to capture breathtaking aerial footage, DJI has a drone for you. Remember, though, before flying any drone, be sure to familiarize yourself with local laws and regulations to ensure a safe and legal flight experience. Well, that wraps up our exploration of DJI drones. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you like this video, click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.